Ladies, this one is for you. Especially if you're in your 30s and beyond. Let's be real. You start noticing little changes in your body. Your jeans feel a little tighter. Your energy is not what it used to be. You swear you're eating the same thing, moving the same, and you don't know what's going on. I'm a living witness. Well, once you hit 30, your body naturally starts to lose muscle mass. And that's not your fault. It's just biology. On the average, women lose about 3 to 8% of their muscle each decade. That's every 10 years after the age of 30. And by the time you hit menopause, that number speeds up. And muscle loss is equal to slower metabolism. And a slower metabolism means your body burns fewer calories, even when you're doing absolutely nothing. That's part of why weight gain in your 30s and 40s can feel like it's happening out of nowhere. You have not done anything. In fact, some people will tell you, I just breathe and I add weight. But here is the empowering part. Here is the good part. You're not stuck with it. Protein helps slow down and in many cases even reverse that muscle loss. Your body needs protein to repair muscles, maintain lean mass, and stay strong. And here is something most people don't talk about enough. Protein also supports your hormones. I've had my fair share of hormonal imbalance, and I can tell you for a fact, yes, the hormone that controls your weight, mood, and energy, and even bloating. Ask me questions, and I will tell you about bloating. They all need amino acids from protein to function properly. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar, which reduces energy crashes and those midday snack attacks. It also helps reduce cortisol spikes and support your thyroid and your estrogen balance. All of which affects how your body stores fat and builds muscles. Plus, if you're working out or lifting weights or even just walking every day more than you normally would do, protein helps your body recover faster and feel less sore after a workout so you can stay consistent and not get discouraged. And another thing, don't underestimate the power of feeling full and satisfied. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. It keeps cravings low, energy stable, and that's I am hungry now feeling. It keeps it in check, even when life gets chaotic, even when you are busy as a mom or anything. So if you're juggling work, home, kids, hormones, and good health, think protein as your backup system. We all need a support system, and here and now, protein is your backup system. Start adding it to every meal. Add eggs to your breakfast. Add Greek yogurt as a snack. Eat it as a snack. Add lentils to your soup. Or get a quality protein shake for your very busy days. You don't need to obsess over it, but you do need to be intentional because your body is changing. Let's tell ourselves the truth. We don't like the truth. And protein helps that change. Protein helps you with that change. It helps with your strength, grace, and resilience. You are not just trying to survive the shift. You are here to thrive through it. So, make protein your #1 ally. If you've been enjoying the series so far and if this has helped you, don't forget to like, save it, and share it with the next person who is also trying to lose weight and struggling to figure out what to eat. Remember to nourish your body and balance your life. Give me a follow and I will see you in my next one. Bye.